you.
Awesome, thank you for taking the time.
Yeah, of course.
Tell everyone what the heck these things are, I guess.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is the premiere in Canada for us as well. We're from Dry Ager now coming to the country, Canada. This is the start. Our general importer is FSS, and they will be the exclusive importer for Dry Ager in Canada as well. It's a closed system, it's plug and play, you need nothing, only power supply, a good quality of beef as well as pork, and we can rise it up to the best once again.
Cool.
Yeah.
So what sets us apart from there's other dry agers obviously on the market?
Yeah, it's very important. It's a closed system, as I told you. There are no foreign ingredients inside, so we only work with the humidity out of the product. That means you need no water supply, you need no water drain, no water container, nothing, only the humidity from the beef. And we control humidity and temperature always at the same time. And there's a strong ventilation system inside. And we have to dry the surface of the meat, because if you have a dry surface, no bacteria and germs can stay alive. And as well, we have a sterilization system inside. That means we sterilize the air every minute once again, the whole air. So you don't have to be afraid that something is jumping if there's something inside from one piece to another. That's perfect. As well, the inner container is coated with silver ions. That means antibacterial sterilization, and that's perfect for beef. We dry age, but we dry age the very sensitive way. On the economical side, that means we only lose 8 to 10% in 4 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So in another ager, then ages from before, then generally how much are you losing then, I guess?
Minimum 25%, I would
yeah,
say.
so that's big savings for sure.
Yeah.
Cool. Anything else, I guess?
Yeah, anything else? It's a multifunctional unit. That means in case of meat, you can dry age pork, as you see, and beef at the same time. Yeah, you also can rotate the grade of aging. That means in the first week you put some pieces in, at the second week more, at the third week more, so you come in a circulation. As well, multifunctional means you can also do ham and charcuterie, you can dry age fish, seafood, you can store cheese, you can age cheese, you can do whatever you want. I would say every kind of food which is depending on temperature and humidity is the right thing for dry ager as well.
Cool, and then you have this is the one size, and then that's the smaller size there then?
This is the UX 1500, that means the unit is this one. We just put two together, we change one door handle and you get this fantastic window effect. That means you have two in a row, you can add 3, 5, 6, how much you want. And this is the little bro, it's the UX 750, that means fitting 20 kilo, here you are fitting up to 100 kilos.
Cool. Yeah, they're very sharp looking units.